What should we play today? 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 Should we play Roblox or Madden or NBA or Legendary or Fun Run or Champions or IMV? I'ma play Roblox and Champions. Hi, and what is up, YouTubes? We are back since on some Roblox, and then we're about to go to this VIP server. That my friends. RIP 200 Robux. That's so funny. This is in the VIP server. This is in the VIP server. This is in the VIP server. I'm glad I'm two boys. You guys could hear me. I don't need no gun or anything, cause ain't nobody gonna be in this game. Stay here. Turtle bits. I'll resume the video when it opens. This takes forever to open, so that's why I'm just jumping off the building.
I can't believe.
Ah! Nah, that did not work out.
Got me out here like this.
That did not work out. Well, I like this one. It looks open, but it's really not. It's still closed. Hurry up and open. Hurry and open. Oh, there. I thought it was so my car will be fine. This has to open one day or anytime. Whee! Wow, this is opening. I'm about to go see if it's open. change under the prison jumpsuit. Already did, nigga. Okay, then leave me alone and get off my face. Fuck you. Let's just come over here. Let's just come over here. Let's just come up here. And let's just park that right there. Park that right here. So yeah, the cop can see that if any cop wants to join. Let's put that right there. Let's still see that. So let's put this right there. Yeah, it's right there. I can see that. Okay, it's been 3 minutes now. When would this open? 3 minutes in real life. When would this open? Please don't tell me it will open tomorrow. You know what I had it? I'm about to go buy an apartment across the street. Yeah, right there. Oh, no, let me... Fuck the car. Wow, this is just like the other one over there. Yes. No, that's not fair. You early. Okay, open tomorrow. Okay, open tomorrow. So let me just come here. Oh, I did not know you could put stuff in here. Whoa. That's cool. Cool a lot. Well, I'm just going to sleep. Good night, YouTube. Good night. I accidentally sold it. So I might, fucking keyboard. So, act like fucking dummy. I'm fucking sorry shit. Damn. I'm fucking dumbass. Oh, now I gotta go hide somewhere so it can open. Come over here. Come over here. Stay real calm. Bitch, go. Oh shit. Oh yes, game's off. Let's go. Oh shit, I'm coming for you. This role playing is disappointing people. This is not your story. It opens in. I think it opens in 1 minute or 3 minutes. I don't know. I don't know when it opens. But I'm about to just open these boxes. And I just collect them. Give me like some shit. I already got the classic VR. Why do you give it to me again? I hate Roblox. I'm able to get a free key card. See ya, bro. Okay, go YouTube. They're open. I've been waiting like 8 minutes by now. Let's start running this before I die. That's what I always do. That's what I always do. Oh crap! They are freaking off today, YouTube. They are off. Hold on, YouTube. No, I wish my life for cash. I wish my life for money. Yes. Ah, shit, damn, I might have heard it. I don't know how you finish this movie. I gotta go back there? I gotta go back here? I don't know how to finish the robbery. I need to. Hold on. Well, this is the end of the video.